Title: Unlock the full potential of your Samsung lock screen, a comprehensive guide. Intro. Hey there, Samsung users. Welcome to our tutorial on customizing your lock screen. Your lock screen is more than just a barrier between you and your phone, it's an opportunity to express yourself and make your device truly unique. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to unlock the full potential of your Samsung lock screen. We'll cover the basics, like changing your wallpaper and adding widgets, as well as some more advanced features, like customizing your shortcuts and exploring smart lock options. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to personalize your lock screen to fit your style and needs. So, let's get started and make your Samsung device truly yours. Step 1. Access lock screen settings. In this step, we'll show you how to access the lock screen settings on your Samsung device. Why access lock screen settings? Customize your lock screen to suit your preferences, enhance your device's security and functionality, personalize your device's appearance. How to access lock screen settings. 1. Go to your device's settings app. 2. Scroll down and select lock screen. 3. Tap on the desired lock screen setting to customize screen lock type, e.g., PIN, pattern, password, lock screen widgets, lock screen shortcuts, lock screen wallpaper, advanced lock screen settings, e.g., smart lock, always on display, lock screen settings options, screen lock type. Choose your preferred method for unlocking your device. Lock screen widgets. Add widgets to display information on your lock screen shortcuts. Add shortcuts to quickly access apps and features. Lock screen wallpaper. Change the background image on your lock screen. Advanced lock screen settings. Access additional settings for enhanced security and functionality. Tips. Regularly review and update your lock screen settings to ensure they meet your needs. Experiment with different lock screen settings to find what works best for you. Consider using a secure screen lock type to protect your device. By accessing the lock screen settings, you can unlock a range of customization options to enhance your device's security, functionality, and appearance. Step 2. Change lock screen wallpaper. In this step, we'll show you how to change the lock screen wallpaper on your Samsung device. Why change the lock screen wallpaper? Personalize your device's appearance. Refresh your lock screen with a new look. Showcase your favorite image or photo. How to change the lock screen wallpaper. 1. Go to Settings, Lock Screen. 2. Tap Wallpaper. 3. Choose a wallpaper source. Gallery, select a photo from your device. Wallpapers, select a pre-installed wallpaper. Live wallpapers, select an animated wallpaper. 4. Select your desired wallpaper image. 5. Adjust the wallpaper fit and brightness, if applicable. 6. Tap Set as Wallpaper to apply the changes. Wallpaper tips. Choose a wallpaper that complements your device's theme and style. Experiment with different wallpaper sources and images. Consider using a live wallpaper for a dynamic look. By changing your lock screen wallpaper, you can give your device a fresh new look and make it truly yours. Step 3. Add widgets. In this step, we'll explore how to add widgets to your Samsung lock screen. Why add widgets? Access important information at a glance. Enhance your lock screen with interactive content. Personalize your device experience. How to add widgets. 1. Go to Settings, Lock Screen. 2. Tap Widgets. 3. Select the widgets you want to add. Clock, cal, music, other widgets, e.g., weather, news. 4. Customize widget settings. Choose the widget size and layout. Select the widget's content and settings. 5. Rearrange widgets to your preferred order. Widget types. Informational widgets, e.g., clock, calendar. Functional widgets, e.g., music, flashlight. Interactive widgets, e.g., weather, news, tips. Choose widgets that align with your interests and needs. Experiment with different widget layouts and sizes. Regularly review and update your widgets to ensure they remain relevant. By adding widgets, you can transform your lock screen into a dynamic and informative space, providing quick access to the information and features you need most. Step 4. Configure lock screen shortcuts. In this step, we'll show you how to customize lock screen shortcuts on your Samsung device. Why customize lock screen shortcuts? Quickly access frequently used apps and features. Save time and streamline your device experience. Enhance productivity and convenience. How to customize lock screen shortcuts. 1. Go to Settings, Lock Screen. 2. Tap Shortcuts. 3. Select the shortcuts you want to display on your lock screen. Camera, phone, messages, other apps, e.g., email, browser. 4. Customize the shortcut layout. Choose the number of shortcuts to display, e.g., 2, 3, 4. Select the shortcut icons and labels. 5. Rearrange shortcuts to your preferred order. Advanced shortcut features. Double tap shortcuts. Enable double tapping a shortcut to perform a secondary action. Long press shortcuts. Enable long pressing a shortcut to access additional options. Tips. Choose shortcuts that align with your device usage habits. Experiment with different shortcut layouts to find what works best for you. Regularly review and update your shortcuts to ensure they remain relevant. By customizing lock screen shortcuts, you can create a personalized and efficient device experience, saving you time and effort. Step 5. Set up lock screen notifications. In this step, we'll explore how to customize lock screen notifications on your Samsung device. Why customize lock screen notifications? Control what information is displayed on your lock screen. Prioritize important notifications and hide less important ones. Enhance your privacy and security. How to customize lock screen notifications. 1. Go to Settings, Lock Screen. 2. Tap Notifications. 3. Choose your preferred notification style, icon only, icon and text detailed. 4. Select which apps can display notifications on your lock screen. 5. Customize notification settings for each app. Show content, hide content, don't show notifications. Advanced notification features. Notification shade. Swipe down to view detailed notifications. Notification icons. Display icons for notifications on the lock screen. Notification previews. Show a preview of the notification content. Tips. Customize notifications for each app to minimize clutter. Use the Do Not Disturb feature to silence notifications during certain times. Regularly review and update your notification settings to ensure they meet your needs. By customizing lock screen notifications, you can streamline your notification experience, prioritize important information, and enhance your overall device experience. Step 6. Add a lock screen message. In this step, we'll show you how to add a personal message or information to your Samsung lock screen. Why add a lock screen message? Display important information, such as your name, address, or contact details. Add a personal touch with a motivational quote or fun message. Help others contact you if your device is lost or found. How to add a lock screen message. 1. Go to Settings, Lock Screen. 2. Tap Lock Screen Message. 3. Enter your desired message or information. 4. Use the keyboard to type and edit your message. 5. Tap Save to apply the changes. Customization options. Font style and size, text color and background color, alignment and spacing. Tips. Keep your message concise and clear. Use a font and color that's easy to read. Update your message regularly to keep it fresh and relevant. By adding a lock screen message, you can make your device even more personal and functional. Whether you want to display important information or a fun quote, this feature lets you express yourself and make your device truly unique. Step 7. Additional customization options. In this step, we'll explore additional lock screen features that can enhance your Samsung device's security, convenience, and personalization. These features may vary depending on your device model and software version. Face recognition. Enable face recognition to unlock your device with a glance. Set up face recognition by going to Settings, Lock Screen. Face recognition. Register your face and set up alternative look options, e.g., glasses, hats, fingerprint scan. Enable fingerprint scanning to unlock your device with a touch. Set up fingerprint scanning by going to Settings, Lock Screen, Fingerprint Scan. Register your fingerprints and set up fingerprint gestures, e.g., swipe down for notifications. Smart Lock. Enable Smart Lock to keep your device unlocked in trusted situations, e.g., at home, with trusted devices. Set up Smart Lock by going to Settings, Lock Screen, Smart Lock. Configure trusted locations, devices, and times. Always on display. Enable Always on display to show essential information on your lock screen even when your device is asleep. Set up Always on display by going to Settings, Lock Screen, Always on display. Customize the display mode, schedule, and content, e.g., clock, notifications, calendar. These additional customization options can enhance your lock screen experience, providing more convenience, security, and personalization. Experiment with these features to find the perfect balance for your needs. Conclusion. That's it. You've now unlocked the full potential of your Samsung lock screen. By customizing your lock screen, you've made your device even more personal and functional. Remember, your lock screen is more than just a barrier between you and your phone, it's an opportunity to express yourself and make your device truly unique. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. With these customization options, the possibilities are endless. And if you have any more questions or need further assistance, be sure to check out our other tutorials and guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Outro. Please subscribe, like, comment for more content.